Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to simulate direct online starting of a 3-phase induction motor on cade simu. In the previous video, we saw how to simulate the same circuit using the symbol component. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the 3D component as well as the 2D component. As you can see on your screen, here we have the power circuit and the control circuit in which we are going to be wiring up into this lesson. So let's go ahead and simulate this so you can see how it functions. So click on the simulation button, and first of all we'll click on the automatic switch or interrupt, and we'll start the motor by clicking on the start push button S1, which energizes the contactor KM1, thereby switching on the motor. And you can equally turn off the motor by clicking on the stop push button S0, which de-energizes the contactor KM1, thereby switching off the motor. We have a thermal relay for overload protection and a circuit breaker for short circuit protection, and we have a pilot lamp to indicate the running of the motor. So let's get started. So we'll go ahead and click on Files and open New Project, and to zoom out a little bit, and we'll click on this 2D so we can select the 2D components, and from there we can select our various 2D components. So the first component I'm going to be using is automatic switch, and double click on it and reduce the size. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add our contactor and do the same. Double click and reduce the size in order to economize the space of our screen. So the next component we are going to be adding is our thermal relay. And finally, we'll be adding our 3-phase motor. So we are going to go ahead and connect these devices together by clicking on cable and connection and selecting vertical wire. So click on the first terminal and link all these 3 cables together. We'll do same for the rest. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to select our push button. So we'll select our stop push button S0 and our start push button S1. I'll double click on this to change the color to red. So I discovered that 9596 on this software is not working, so I'll just skip that. I don't know if it's from my own computer or it's a general problem. So we'll go directly to S1. I'll double click on this push button and change it to symbol, so we can differentiate between the normally open and the normally closed contact. So for the stop push button, we are going to be using the normally closed contact. So it means we are using this first contact. Okay, we'll do the same for this push button. Change it to symbol. For the start push button, we are going to be using the normally open contact. So means we are going to be using the contact 3, 4. So we'll click on wiring. Change it back to initial state. So from the terminal theory, we are going to be linking to the 13th contact of our contactor, which is the hold on contact. So we have 13. Okay, and from this contact 14, 4, we are going to be linking to 14. So we have 14. So from the terminal 14, we move to A1. So we'll pick from here. So A1. And so I'll include a pilot lamp. I'll include 2 pilot lamps, one for the rotation of the motor and another for the presence of a fault. So I'll click on 2T and click on pilot lamps. So I'll link this first pylon lamp to this line, which leads to A1, and I'll connect this line to 97 and 98, and link these two. Okay, from there we need to connect the neutral line. Okay, so I'll change this lamp to red. And I'll use our power. We use PE for the motor protection. So I'm almost done with our circuit. I'll go ahead and name the component. So I'll name this F0. KM1. F1. You have M1. So I'll name this S0, which is our stop push button. And I'll name this S1, which is our start push button. I'll name this H1, which is our pilot lamp to indicate the running of the motor. And I'll name this one H2, which is a pilot lamp to indicate presence of a fault. Okay, so I think our circuit is completed. So we'll click on simulate. If we turn on our automatic switch or interrupt, we can start the motor by clicking on the start push button, which energizes the contactor KM1, and stop the motor by clicking on the stop push button, which de-energizes the contactor KM1. And in the case of a fault, this lamp is going to come on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.